Hello guys, welcome back. I am Karen Lopez.
And I am Natalia, and in our last video we learned how to use do and does to make some questions.
Today we are going to answer a new question. How often do you do things?
Yes, today we are learning about adverbs of frequency to your daily routines. So let's start the clock.
Adverbs of frequency show how many times we do an action, from 100% to 0%.
At 100% we have always. For example, I always study English in the morning.
In the middle, around 50%, we have usually and sometimes. For example, we sometimes watch movies on Friday.
And for 0% we have never. For example, they never arrive late.
This vocabulary is so easy, right? But now let's look at the rules.
Where do we put those words in a sentence? This is so important.
For normal action verbs, the adverb goes before the verb.
The formula is simple. For example, subject plus adverb plus verb. Look at this example. She usually cooks dinner. The usually goes before cook.
Remember the last video. For he, she, and it, the verb needs an S in positive sentences. For example, she never eats fast food.
But attention here. For the verb to be, is, are, the rule change. The adverb goes after the verb.
Yes, we say you are always happy. We do not say you always are happy.
Now let's combine this with do and does to ask some questions. We use the phrase how often.
The formula is how often plus do or does plus subject plus verb.
Let's practice. For example, how often do you exercise?
And you answer, I sometimes exercise.
And for the third person, how often does she study?
And the answer is, she always studies.
Great job! Now you can talk about daily habits and routine in English.
Remember, before normal verbs, but after the verb to be.
We left some exercise so that you can practice today.
Write a comment and tell us, how often do you practice English? See you next time. Bye.